Hey, what's up, Ross? How you doing, man? Games during daytime? Yeah, it's just... Couldn't sleep last night, man. Pretty tired, so figured what the hell. All I'm gonna do is stay up and, work on the game, then might as well just stream it. Just chat with everyone. You know, all that stuff. Let's see. Hey, Karen on YouTube. How's it going? Thanks for hopping on the channel. All right. Let me get back to it here. So what I had was turn-based mechanism in the battle. I added some damage, random damage against the target, reduce the ship damage. Cool. If your damage is at 0, you can't do anything. And only target ships that have health above 0. Fleets. You don't want to target your own ships in your own fleet. To have a function, that ship fleet ID maybe. Doesn't look like it. Thought maybe want to play Fallout again? Yeah. I hear that, man. I hear that. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, so I'm not associating the fleet ID to the ship itself. I have a wrapper array. Okay. So it needs to be like fleet ship data. So maybe, do I have any fleet functions? Add ship to fleet, get fleet ship fleet. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is a weird lookup. I'm gonna have to fix this, but for now, because essentially I'm storing the ship ID. I have to reach into the fleet in order to get the ship ID back. Oh, this is so weird. I've kind of done a stupid thing with the ocean battle here, but get ship ID by ship ID. Ship ID. So just based on this function, I should iterate over max fleet ships and then go if fleet ship data offset plus fleet ship ID, so the ship ID, then return. No, I want to return the I. Yeah, that's what I want to do. And then the offset should just be this. All right. Hey everybody on TikTok, by the way. I do keep an eye on it. It's just I get focused, so if anybody's wants to chat on TikTok, just say hi. Can't do order graph traversal, not gonna make it. Yep, I know it's over. It's over. Isn't that how it goes, Shreyas? If I can't reverse a binary tree. Hey Vamp, how's it going? That was the dumbest take I've seen on Twitter. Yeah, I was... like, I get the reason, right? I understand why. You want to make sure the person you're hiring can do code. But like these kind of challenges, they're not the right way to do it. What is it a signal for? I don't even know. It's ridiculous. You're signaling that people understand patterns and stuff, and to some degree, yeah, you want people to understand patterns, but you can actually get that out of someone in better ways. Hey Marco on X, how you doing, man? Good to see you. I'm glad, I'm glad I'm not the only one who feels that way. It's just crazy, just like the leak code stuff, and yeah, anyway. People will do what they do, and there's definitely an air of like, for some people at least, there's an air of like, I do it because it makes me feel good. Like it's a power trip for me. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree, Shreyas. If your job actually requires you to do that for real, like you're sitting down, you're doing the job, and you actually need to do that. Yeah. All right. Like that actually kind of makes sense. Yeah, you want to make sure that people are able to use the things that they're going to do at the job. Yeah. But man, for most stuff, you really don't need it. It's not going to make it. Yeah. Not going to make it. Okay. This is really stupid, but I'm going to run with this. It should be this. All right. So we're going to use this down here. Yeah, it's easy. Print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, exactly. It's so easy. All right. So down here, I had a reason for doing this. What was the reason? I wanted to get the ship ID in order to get... fleet. That's what. Okay. Fleet ship ID is equal to... All right. Then get fleet. Yeah, that one. Okay. This is a terrible way to do this. It's so bad. But it's just a way to do it for now. So what we want to do here... Hey, Justin. Thanks for being here, man. No, I'm not using mscripting, Shreyas. It's, I don't have anything against it. I just, it's just more glue code than I need. I kept things extremely simple. So, I just don't need it. Yeah, just C-Lang. Pretty straightforward. If you want all the glue code, that's fine. Yeah, well, you know. It does a good job of gluing the JS to the WASM and back, but yeah. Hey, Insulin on TikTok. You're edging? Yeah. Edging hard. So many edges. Yo, are we not men? How are you doing on YouTube? Mscripting is bloated. It might be bloated. I kind of feel like it's bloated. I haven't looked at it deeply enough just because I haven't needed to be able to like rant on it. But it's I get that vibe from mscripting. Let's edge some more, shall we? Let's do some more edging. I think I'm gonna have to copy these. Am I hacking? It just looks like it. Because this is my color scheme. So it looks like I'm hacking. So you know what? Sorry, I screwed that up. The correct answer to your question is yes, I'm hacking. Yeah, I'm hacking. That's what I should have said. I wasted a perfectly good opportunity. Yeah, there are other tools, yeah. Yeah, edging some yes, yeah, you didn't know? I'm a controlled opposition, are we not, men? I fight against degeneracy, but then I'm pro degeneracy on my stream. So, hey Severy on TikTok, thanks man. Appreciate the follow. Hey Eider, good to see you. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Hey Funk Lime, thank you for the follow on Twitch just now. Appreciate it. I'm doing well. Can't complain. Well, I can complain actually. I can complain. Shit. Severy. I'm hacking the government. Yeah, which government though? That's the question, right? Which government am I hacking? There's only one government worth hacking. It's not the one you think. Because that one's full of H-1B visa applicants. Such a stupid joke. Oh crap, that was so dumb. Shit. Are you using C23? Yeah, that's a good question. Yeah, canceled, yeah. No. I don't think so. The crystal one. It's, oh man, everyone belongs in the crystals. I wish I could go in a crystal. It sounds comfy. STD equals C23. But I don't think that you can target that on a WASM 32 compile. I could be wrong. Yeah, you can target WASM from CLang, yeah. You didn't know, Vamp? Bro does not work for the FBI. Yeah, I don't work for the FBI, not as far as you know. It's a C standard? Oh, okay. So maybe it's honestly I don't know. I don't know. And I'm not explicitly setting it obviously here. So, like maybe it is C23 under the hood, but I wouldn't know. Off the top of my head, I mean. So maybe it's implied, but I just don't know it. Mscripton, you thought Mscripton is the only way to go? Nah, Mscripton's not the only way to go. You can just raw dog WASM 32 and then you just write your own glue code. Just write your own glue, man. That's what you're into. You can just like make your own glue and then like, you know, have a good time, right? You have to know what you're doing. You can't be like a bumhole programmer, but yeah, you can do it. Why did I pick this one? I have a Bowser one. It's way better. Why did I pick this of all? Whatever. I can't. Whatever. Spool type. Use a real C standard. I'll get right on that, Trace. I work for the Greek gods. I wish. You did write your own glue, but then you were still using Mscripton, and then you just all you did was you just redundantized it. Yeah, that's a word. Look it up. Redundantized. Look it up. What can I say? Um, Scripting is a POSIX emulator, not a glue code generator. It contains glue, does it not? Between JavaScript and WebAssembly, it's not like part of it. Well, one part of it, yeah. So it's not wrong to say it. I want to teach a carpenter how to code? No, I want a carpenter to teach me how to be a carpenter. Okay. Super bad reason to use it. That's what a lot of people use it for, that reason, I think. How to be a carpenter. Step 1, hammer. Step 2, saw. Step 3, be Jesus. Jesus was a carpenter. Okay. Next thing I want to do, I want to start actually differentiating the ships here. Yeah, it's tough for me to do it right now. Are we not, men? It's a challenging time. I have to save all my pennies. Okay, so right here, I need to do something here. So maybe I could do a little bit of a hacky thing. What would the hacky thing be? If I'm in a scene, if I'm in the battle scene on a particular fleet ID, then use a different ship style, maybe? Okay, I could do that. Oh, just in chat, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I could... I'd still sometimes drop a few bangers in chat, yeah. Why are you returning arrays from your functions? Because everything is an array. That's why I return it. Chat goes so fast. Yeah, that's what happens when you blow up, man. And the Crucible definitely blew up. Blew up huge. It's hard. It's hard to. It's not the same. It changes the nature of the chat, right? You don't get that. You don't get the personal one-on-one time. I'm talking about the earnings. What? What you talking about? What earnings? Oh, the warnings. I'm returning a raise. Oh, it's because I'm not using standard library, so I'm in a couple of cases I'm returning character slice. So just it warns me about that. Because I had to do my own string handling. At some point I'll get around to removing the warning and actually like doing it right, but it works for now. It's whatever. It is what it is. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Are we not, men? I know. Okay. So I want this thing. I kind of want this, actually. And then where's the tile render again? Here. Here. All right. So if we're in scene, and sure. Hey, Pure, how's it going? Good to see you. You are watching The Matrix, are we not, man? So if I do that, and then if I go if scene name is equal to whatever this is, an ocean battle, I think. Scene, yeah, scene, ocean battle. It's fine. All right, now probably getting ship ID. Yes, it is ship ID. So if I take the ship ID and then I go have a look at what get fleet. Probably this. So get the fleet ship ID first. Ship ID. And then get the fleet ID out of I hate this, but it is what it is. Yeah, are we not, man? Yeah, I'm making a game, man. It's exactly what I'm doing. You know what I should do? Let's randomize this a bit. Let's go, what, like start offset would be 10. And then plus equals fleet ID. And then be something like this. Haha, look at that. Different ships for each fleet. Look at that. That's great. You like to play? That's good. When I'm done, you can give this a go. Or when I get back to doing a multiplayer version of this. Okay, so now it's easier to tell if ships are attacking their, like if fleets are attacking their own fleets or other fleets. Yeah, looks like we're good. And of course the Kraken wins. How do I do that? When it's done, I'll put it on the site. Just open up a website and run it. And then I'll offer a physical copy. That I'm going to 3D print a case and send a USB version. Ship it out. Then you can just pop it in and run it. Yeah, I'm trying to hurry up. Okay? I'm trying. Jeez. Just 1 second here. No? Interesting. That didn't work. Hang on. I gotta check something. Hang on, folks. Okay. All right, we're back. Don't rush it. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. Okay. So that works really well. That means a functionality for ships not attacking other ships in their own fleet is also working. We're rendering things correctly, it seems like. We're animating some cannonballs. I mean, this is like the farthest we've ever got. We have never been this deep. Okay, so the next thing I gotta do then is I can sort out crew to crew attacks. I think we have everything we need there. I think what I have to do is determine when the fleet is the player's fleet. No, when the order, when the current turn is a ship in the player's fleet. It's like a player's ship. Then the player gets to make a decision instead of just confirming. That means I'm gonna have to expose a function. So here, no, okay. To do I want to do this here? What do I want to do here? I've got two problems. I just gotta. Okay, so I'll just put in a to do here. I'm gonna clean this up later. Don't rely on this during actually this might actually be the right way to do it though. All right. Okay, let's leave that. So over here, where is it? Yeah. During the ocean battle, I want to present a different set of options. If you are the player taking the turn, not the NPC. So I could just run with this, add some choices to the scene. That's not ultimately how I want to do it, but that's gonna be weird because I'm gonna have to put in whatever weird logic I put in here for this. Gonna, oh man, I'm kind of twisting the scene functionality here. I don't like this. Hey 23 on TikTok. Thanks for the like, man, and the follow. Like what's the bad part of adding the choices? Are we not meant when it's done, I'm just gonna put it up on a website, and then I'll just tell everyone what the website is, and then you just go to the website. You just type in www.spiromadeagame.com. I don't know, whatever the website is. And then you can just play it. And that's it. Done. All right. So I guess what's the bad part of Hey Kant, thanks for the like and the follow on TikTok, man. It's 3 W's cuz I just win all the time. That sucked. That was a terrible joke. And I want to check who the current player is and if it's their fleet. Yeah. There. This is annoying. This is all stuff that I've been trying to avoid doing, but I think I'm just gonna have to do it. It's like the most boring stuff ever. Um, all right, well, let's just do it, I guess. Own your W's. I will own my W's. Okay. Ship data. So here is, this is what I want to do. Hey, Chief on TikTok. Thanks for the like, man. Got a whole bunch of fleet data. I want to find it by, I want to find the player. I'll keep hacking away, man. Thank you. So if I look it up by general ID, then I want to, that's like the general of the fleet. And then Ron 100, that's me. It's my restream setup. So it puts in like Twitch and YouTube and X and things like that. It just automatically merges all the messages. Get fleet ID by general ID? That's probably what I want to do. Fleet ID by general ID. So then I'd go iterate over max fleets. Yeah, works out quite well. It's just it's a good way for the different platforms to be able to talk to each other. It's also quite handy for me because I can see all the chats in one places, except for like TikTok and Rumble and LinkedIn stuff. I think TikTok, Rumble, and LinkedIn are not included. If G fleet data. Okay, so I have that. I have a way to get the fleet ID by the general ID. So if we go back to the scene now, I want to check players fleet ID. Get fleet ID by general ID. Players 0. All right. And then, okay, then we're going to do something special. Then we're going to, well, no, it's got to be down here after we get all the fleet stuff. So if the attacker fleet ID is the player's fleet ID, which means it's the player's turn, then we're going to add some special choices. And it'll be like, let's just add move. Let's just add 1 and see what happens. Now, I think all I have to do then is just say, if you ask if the choice is enabled, you just return 1. The choice won't exist unless it's the player's turn, right? let's make sure that we have the enum for it. Move that we do. And confirm, but we want to do, I guess we'll just put it at the bottom here. Create a string. It's going to be move. Okay. So did that work? Nope. Here we are going to need to spit this out. PFI, PFI. Okay, let's see what these values are. -1, huh? That ain't right. Oh, but 0 and 0. So I should be seeing. This should trigger. Right? This should trigger the leftists. Yeah, no, it triggers. So I'm not seeing move as a choice. And I guess it's because when I yeah, right. When I initialize the scene, this is an order of events issue. Okay, so then the way to break this out, since we're gonna have to do this anyway, is to have different states for the player. That's what it is. Okay, so what we can do here is we'll move over to move to player state. Okay. I would say it should be, we'll call it player take turn. Okay, and then right up here. We'll go like this. I don't have a way to easy exit out of this whole thing, so this is just getting uglier with indentation, but it's fine. It's fine. We'll get this sorted out. We just have to start breaking things down. So we'll start with this. Go like that. Hey, Rust Compiler, thank you for the follow on Twitch, man. I appreciate it. Make sure to say hi if you're here. Okay. Move. Perfect. And then I will literally copy these. Oops, not what I wanted. Here, like that. I'll take them out of here since they no longer belong here. So that's it. There they go. My action init, I'm not entirely sure what I need to do here. What am I doing in other ones? Oh, I see. So I need to set a scene name. Okay, yeah, that's right, because then I can actually, my renderer can tell that it's the player's turn. Yeah, so action battle, player's turn. I'm gonna have to create a string for that. I'm gonna have to make a choice, I guess. I'll sort these out in a sec. Okay, so far so good. Okay. I need to create a string. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now why is this -1? I have to figure out this -1 here. If I put this guy back. Confirm that there's, yeah, -1. That ain't right. So the attacker fleet ID So what's the attacker fleet ship ID? Let's check our values. So there we go. Attacker ship ID is 0. Attacker fleet ship ID is -1. Something about this. Attacker ship ID 0, but it has no fleet ship ID. How are we not adding a ship here? What am I missing? Let me check my initialization. Okay, so we have a ship. We have a fleet. Oh. Oh, I see. I haven't initialized a fleet for the oh, Arvis took it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have fleet data. Yeah. General ID is just there's 0. Okay, there's a fleet. We're gonna add the ship to the fleet. The ship to the fleet too. That should be better. I guess do a new fleet. Yeah. Oh. It's captain. Yada yada yada. What would be the NPC ID? I'm creating global NPCs here, so I would want to do get NPC ID by a machine name. Yeah, that's what you want. NPC ID is this guy, and we're going to call it NPC Arvis. Okay, now we just do that over and over. Let's give this a shot. There we go. I take the first turn. That's right. The rendering is really weird. Um, what's the actual offset? Ten, 11, 12, 13. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's go figure out what we're doing with the attack then. Let's just assume attack on confirm. We do the choice of confirming, then we'll copy the attack stuff from up here. Okay, so we'll grab all this. Get rid of this. Grab this. Over here. Do the exact same crap. There we go. Sweet. Okay. All right. So we actually want to do fire. We probably also want to do order. Wait. Yep. Okay. So confirm will be I don't know, it'll be something. Or maybe it'll be nothing, actually. I might have to take that out. Okay, that's fine. if we do fire, it's gonna be move to state. If it's order, move to order state where you can give your ships or fleet commands. Move state. Where we highlight available movement options. Select a final destination. Okay. Fire, I guess technically should actually be whatever the hell this stuff is. We probably don't need confirm anymore. We'll move all this to a fire state later. Oof, that's not good. What did I do wrong? Choice. Let's see. Move fire order. Move fire order. Okay. Move fire order. Okay. Move fire order. Oh, I need to create the strings. Oh, that's why. Duh. Fire order. That. Cool. Okay. So if I set move up, if I make the choice to move, then I need to do something here where I'm rendering the tiles. I gotta think about this one a bit. Okay, if we're in the ocean battle scene, if our state name crap, what am I gonna do here? I am still trying to hack the government. Yeah. So what I need to do is I need to update the tiles in range so that they show the available ranges. Like places you can move, which is just going to be a square around the stupid ship. The question is going to be, how do I get the tile to do that? All right. So what would be a good way to handle this? It'd probably be good if we didn't have to dynamically generate tiles on the fly and position them. It'd be better if we could do it inside the tile rendering mechanism. So if we set a flag and said highlight range of ship, and then the current ship would get its thing would get squares around it. Gotta think this out. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna confirm the move, like you're gonna go like this. You're gonna go move, and once you do that over here, it's gonna move to a new state. Once you're in that state, we could check for that scene and state. That's one way we could do it. And then we just get the current ship ID that needs it. And if you do it here, then you add another tile, which is like a highlight tile. Okay, so let's break it down and give it a little bit of a test. So if we were to do this, we would want to do like this. It'd be moving. Moving. Once we're in this state, which we also want to create strings for, so we know. So then what we're gonna do is make a really simple, I guess we could just copy the scene. Like this. There we go. Moving. We'll go confirm. Moving. Okay. Good. Then over here, we'll do this. So we'll go if scene name is equal to scene ocean battle and state name. Ocean battle moving. We're gonna do special tiles. So we'll go range move range element. Create a div. Move range elements. Do any of these things? I'm not sure, but let's do it anyways. Okay, we'll keep that there for now. Let's do the calc stuff here. Where is it? It's here. What do I want to do? I want to probably do something like maybe I don't need this. And I should probably add it last. Let's see. Yeah. Move. Oh, yeah, look at that. Okay. Okay, so we have starting point for range tiles. Now what I can do is in here, I just have to go, if the world coordinate is in range of whatever ship. So I probably just need a function here. Yeah. Okay, these functions can go away now. So I would want a function that's like is world coordinate in range of player's ship. No. Is world's coordinate in player's movement range. Hey Laugh, how's it going, man? In player's ship movement range. This is still a little bit too generic. Is world coordinate in player's ship, player's current turn ship. Yeah, let's just prefix it. Ocean battle is world coordinate and player ship movement range. That's all. That's all we can do. We could just take any ship ID. Just generalize this. So let's see what's in what the range. We're doing some range checks up here. Let's just see what we can rip off. This. Okay. Set up an actual movement range. Just I guess return this once we figure out what. Okay, so in order to figure this out, we have to get the current. Oh man. Ship ID. So I guess it'd be entity ID of the world NPC. It has to be a world NPC because it has to exist in the world, otherwise it's pointless. So we'd iterate over the world NPCs, and if the entity ID matches the ship ID, then get the X and Y coordinates on that. Okay, we'll just raw dog this too. Max world NPCs. Okay, if world NPC data offset plus world NPC entity ID is equal to ship ID, then bx would equal to and by would equal to, let's go, offset is that world NPC data size. Okay, then we would break and then we'll just do a brute force check. Or UI. Could not find ship in the world. Okay. Seems fine. So now we're going to do this. We're going to go have this working. What we want to do is whoa, chill. World X, Y, value. See how far this takes us. Yeah, okay. It's start. I actually am not using layer value. Why don't I go ahead and do that? Okay. It's kind of weird that Why is it the bank teller? Probably because I'm not actually ship ID. That would be why. No? Really? Hey, Infinite Coder. Thanks for the raid. Hey man, how's it going? How was your stream? Welcome in, Raiders. Nice. Cool. Hey, Nigel. Hey, no damn thing. How you guys doing? I'm just raw dogging some vanilla C code here to WebAssembly, and then vanilla CSS, JS, DOM, rendering a game. That's all I'm doing over here. Rather short, but I guess I'm glad I streamed. Yeah, I hear you, man. Sometimes it's some days just don't feel right. Some days you just don't feel like doing it. and then you get into it, and then you look back after, and you're like, okay, I'm kind of glad I did it. Hopefully, you had a good one. Short and sweet, you know. I think what I need to do is go like if layer value century, then just no, I should do this. Man, I'm gonna have to figure this out. Yeah, feel free to ask questions if you want, Raiders. But yeah, welcome in. Thanks, Infinite Coder. Appreciate it, man. I should shout out Infinite Coder. There you go. Get a shout out, man. Thanks for following. No damn thing. Okay, so my C functions, my C functions seem okay. I'm probably passing the right ship ID. Let's see what the ship ID is. Yeah, here. Ship ID. Huh. Let's do this too. Okay, that's getting better. So I gotta do the range though. So it's setting a tile here. It's setting a tile on the ship. But does the C code get compiled straight to WASM, or is WASM using virtual machine to talk to C code? I'm using CLang here, and then I target WASM 32. And it compiles to WASM, and then the browser loads the WASM file as essentially a block of memory. So you can see it. It's literally just memory inside of the WASM file. And you can reach into the memory to like pull data out or whatever, or execute functions. So it's kind of like it's kind of sandboxed in on the browser side. So I would say it's not that the WASM is virtual machining C code. That's not that. My understanding is that that's not what's happening. What's happening is that C is compiled to WASM directly, and then the browser loads it in as a functional thing that you can interact with. Okay, so is my range function not working correctly? X, Y, ship ID, movement range 2. Is coordinate in range of coordinate? Yeah. So this is weird then. Oh, of course it's not. Oh, right. No, of course it's not. Because I'm asking for the coordinate. I'm giving the function a coordinate. Like I'm what am I doing here? I'm rendering tiles one at a time, and then I go and re-render them when something's updated. So every time that I re-render, I then ask, hey, is something in attack range? But I'm actually passing in the tile coordinate, not the ship coordinate. So I need to get the ship coordinate out and then ask if the tile coordinate is within range of the ship coordinate of the current player's ship. So what I guess what I could do is just let's raw dog it, or God, it's such a stupid term. Let's just brute force it. That's like dumb mode. World NPC ID, that's the turn order. So what happens if I just... Okay, what happens if I take out the ship ID, right? Krista on TikTok. This is such simple coding. Yeah, it's so simple. Yeah. Easy. So if I do that... Attack. And then I just went like, current ship ID. And then I don't pass the ship ID. Don't need that. And then we'll see how far that gets us. Closer. Technically, it did reach 2 spaces. Okay. So that's an improvement. It's just, why is it doing this weird range thing here? It's so strange. Get ocean battle attacker world NPC ID is not a function? Where am I calling that? Attacker world NPC ID? Okay. Is it this? It is a function. It's totally a function. What are you talking about? It's right here. I have it right here. Oh, here. Okay. Fine, it wasn't a function. see. It needs 2. It needs a target. Okay, it's these 2. Got it. Wait, what's the error? All right. So I just gotta figure out why the range is like this. Why is the range like this? Let's go back down here. So we have a good layer value. We don't need to worry about ship ID. Maybe that's part of the reason why. Oh, that didn't help. Okay, so we pass in XY. We go get the current turn ship ID. Whoever's currently running. What happens if I just like increase the movement range by a lot? Yeah, okay. So maybe this is a rendering issue because it seems to only render on stuff that has more than one layer. So what I should be able to do to confirm that is if I go over here to this one. No. Maybe don't worry about layer ID. No, we do need to worry about layer ID. Do. Your passion fuels the fire. It's not. In range. Let's see. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me redo that. One, two, three, 6, 7. Really? There's a whole bunch of these that are in range. So what's the problem? Is it the layer value? Ah, right. I don't need to worry about the layer value. There we go. That's what it was. Okay, we have range. We have range. So with movement range now, I need to come up with a way for the player to choose where to move. Gotta think about this. So what? I don't know if I want to do it based on mouse input yet. Let's just do it based on keyboard input like everything else is right now. And the keyboard input, so what will happen is you'll take, what could you do? You could take individual steps. That's what you want to do. Yeah. So we have to do this all on the rendering side. The WebAssembly does not care. This will be fun. If I push the up button right now. If I push the up button right now, I want to start with can we make this easier on ourselves? Could we just set an attribute on the DOM element? Oh man, I just want an easy way. I set the up button, then I want to say like intended movement space and then put like an arrow over it. I just want a dumb way to do it. Okay, I think I got it. If I do a function called get ocean battle current ship current turn ship X. And then what it's gonna do is return get world NPCX. Why? Okay. So then if we're in that particular state, we're going to override our inputs. Which is these guys. Okay, so if we're in the scene, scene ocean battle, and scene state name, battle moving. Okay, yeah, holy crap. So then what we'll do is we'll use those functions, right? So ship X, current ship Y. So we're gonna go intended movement. So left would be intended X. This one. Select the tile that we want. One. Oh, I see. I did that wrong. That's fine. X. Okay. Intended tile. Let's just see if we can make it this far. Let's make the same border but thicker. Get ocean battle current turn ship X. Oh, I see. Typo. There we go. Okay. have to go, we also have to go like if intended is in range. And yeah, that. It also means I have to track. I have to track the number of intended movements that I've like that I've taken as a player, so I can either undo them or confirm it or whatever. So I guess what I can do is, this is a rendering problem, so a scene, ocean battle, ocean battle moving, and then we'll do something. Let's just make an assumption on what we're going to call it. We're going to go what are we going to call this? Ocean battle player moving. Yeah, let's just do that. We'll go up here. Well, player moving. And then down here, we want to, no, sorry. Here, we want to track it. Ocean battle player moving dot intended x is, so we'll have to go back and set it as century. Current ship x -1, else it's just minus, and then we'll just do this, and then we'll go back to that. What did I do wrong? Okay, I'm just not setting this right. Oh, I see. Yeah, because I'm trying to get a century value for something that doesn't, yeah, let's go null. should do it. Yeah. No. How did I break this? That doesn't make any sense. Let's see. Yeah, it's not doing that. So is this failing? Must be this that's failing. Yeah. Might be this. Might be that I'm setting the values to 0 when I shouldn't be, or no. Nope. All right. 2 and 5. So I'm not. Yeah, this is not right. Should be current ship X minus 1. So is it not a null value? That's possible. So weird. Yeah. No, null 2 and 5. All right. Current ship X. Current ship Y. 2 and 5 again. Intended X is 1. Mm-hmm. 0. Okay. Okay. So it's actually doing what it's supposed to be doing, I guess. Which is, can it? No, it's. No, it's weird. It's weird. So here's what I'm gonna do then. I'm gonna actually just kind of move these down one and get them out of the way. I think maybe there's a blocker. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? No. Why was it working before and not now? Zero, two, six, yeah. 1. Okay, I'm gonna have to solve this later. Okay, I'm gonna take off for a few hours. I'll probably be back later. I'm gonna go do a few things. Thanks everyone for being here. I'll see you in a little while. I'll find someone to raid here on the Twitch side. Adam Learns Live. We'll do that. Sure, we'll do that. Yeah. Make sure to say hi to Adam. He's a good guy. I'm gonna have to raid and run. But yeah, thanks everybody. I'll be back on later. Peace out.